Recently, I spoke to Neena Dutta. She's the principal attorney of the Dutta law firm. She explained the public attitude around immigration policies in the U.S.
You know, you've got people who are here who are legal immigrants. They still have fear about traveling for business. Then you have the undocumented people who also have a great fear. I mean, I think it's going to have a knock-on effect with even reporting of crimes. People are going to be very scared to report crimes where they didn't before. So I think it's going to send a lot of, the reason for some of these proposals have been for safety. And I think it's going to work against public safety.
And how are you feeling about the proposed wall right now and the feedback you're getting from different people, immigrants actually concerned about this?
I think that from immigrants themselves, I'm not sure that people have extremely strong feelings. I think from constituents, it's a high price tag for the taxpayers to pay. You know, it's been estimated at 21 billion, but MIT also estimated it could be as high as 38 billion.
But it is such a statement, the wall. I mean, it has to put people off, obviously. It's put Americans off, and so the immigration community as well. It has to be a strong statement to them.
It's a statement, but to what end? Unfortunately, you know, the U.S. Tourism Board has already seen a drop in people coming to the U.S. That's going to affect Americans making money. It's also seen a drop in universities. Universities where foreign students attend, those foreign students pay full tuition. That tuition helps American students. If they feel that they can't come here, that's also going to have a knock-on effect for the people who live here.
You're familiar with the catch and release program. Yes. The Obama administration had it as well. How does the Trump administration's policy differ?
Well, I think that you're going to see expedited removal of people. There's already been a shift in enforcement priorities, whereas before it was much more violent criminals. Now you're going to see, I mean, a lot of those violent criminals have already been deported. So you're going to end up seeing grandmothers who have never committed a crime, being deported in an expedited fashion. I don't think that's the purpose of this. I don't think it should be the purpose.
And how will they go about finding people who they believe are on their list?
I think there will be any means possible. We've already heard reports of people who report regularly to ICE. Previously, they would make their interviews and then leave. Now we're seeing people being picked up at those locations. If someone goes to make an application, in some of those cases, we could see people being picked up there.